all 8 of you that watched my video yesterday, thanks very much. Let's try and get 12 this time. So I'm doing Budapest, and I like to play it here with the capo on the 4th fret. I could play it without the capo and we could do it would be a B to start off with, but I'm going to do it with the capo, make it easier for you, okay? I don't think I sing this like George Ezra. I definitely don't. It's definitely not the same key. So anyway, so the simple chords, let's just run through the chords first. I'm going to jump in nice and fast on this one. And we'll go for a G shape. And there's a C shape. And then it kind of does the chorus where it jumps to a D, then to a C, and then back to a G. And that's it. That's all the chords. That's the entire song. Okay, the strum pattern is it's a constant down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. It goes go. My house in Budapest, hidden treasure chest, golden grand piano, my beautiful Castillo. You, I leave it all. So you notice I'm going from G to C, and that's it. My house in Budapest, my hidden treasure chest, golden grand piano, my beautiful Castillo. C. I leave it all. Now you notice I am changing this around because the way I sing it with the strum pattern, I do like to mess around with it and stuff like that. But if you stick with a constant down, up, down, up, down, up on this, it will be perfect for you. And then as you get more comfortable, you'll start moving things around. That's kind of what happens. You'll learn your own sound and you'll do your own things. And that's what makes you unique as a musician. So that's the main thing, okay? So that's the verse, okay? And then it's when it goes to give me one more reason, okay? It jumps to the D and it goes, give me one good reason why I should never make a change. D, 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 C, 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 G. So let's run through it, and I'll just give you with the chords, okay? G, 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 C, C, G. Do that chorus. D, C, G. So there's a few things you can do. You can do hammer-ons here. You could do that on here. So little hammer-ons here. That's something if you want to get advanced and try and do things. Same with the C, you can do it. And with the D on the E string. So these are little things you can do to add little embellishments and add colour to the song as you are building up and changing it. This song kind of has that movement where it slowly builds and builds and builds and builds and then drops. It's got a great dynamic to it, so yeah. But these simple chords, like I said, we'll do it with the capo. For me, I do it with the capo on the 4th fret. You can put this anywhere, okay? You can put this absolutely anywhere. But for this key, this is where I am on B, and it's a G shape, a C shape, and then there's a D shape, back to the C shape, and then to the G shape. And just for you, just to get practice, get yourself started, just do down, up. And you could do that and practice, and then you could start doing things like the hammer-ons and all the stuff that I was talking about. But guys, that's been another video. Let's hope we get 12 views on this one. Yes, my name's been Scott, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers, bye-bye.